Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a flip through of our Beautiful Basics journal using the Neutral Junk Journal Starter Kit by Tsunami Rose. This is my design team project. I started with a file folder, cut it down to 9x6. It's a little over, it's still squishy, so I would say about an inch. It's a one signature, 3-hole pamphlet stitch. I've got some seam binding and some eyelets here for the closure. Everything in here is Tsunami Rose Designs, and I will have listed below the collections. The main collection that I used was the Junk Journal Starter Kit in neutral, and then I've added some of these floral postcards, I believe they are, some butterfly postcards, and I don't know, there's like 37 pages in this main Junk Journal Starter Kit, so, but I just wanted to pop a color here and there, and I had some other Tsunami Rose images, so I want to use those up. I have done some corner punching here. Then let me see, make sure that this is on screen for you. I've done a little postcard pocket with some lace trim. Now I used a roll of the lace ribbon from Dollar Tree. I believe there's about 3 yards on there. I have these 2 pieces left, so that's about 15 inches plus another 6, so not too bad. Like I said, all of the ephemera is Tsunami Rose, so I'm not going to say this is from this is from this, but I will list below in the description box what everything is. So we have these lovely designer pages, and journal cards, little booklets. These were file folders that I printed on borderless, and they were too big, so I cut them down and made booklets. Little tag, I cut the top off and made a little journal card. Some ledger page that I have in my stash. This is Tsunami Rose. There again, my whole point of doing this was to show that you don't have to do a lot to have a beautiful journal. You don't have to you know, add tons of things. So this is a little flip over that I made, and basically I took the envelope that came with the collection, so this is half an envelope, and I cut the top flap off and I cut the bottom flap off, and then I cut what was left in half and just made it into a flip tuck, a flip tuck, that's what I'm calling it. So I just attached that like this, and then this piece of ephemera right there, like so. You can tuck on this side as well. And I've got some music paper, and that's another Tsunami Rose. I want to make sure these pages aren't stuck together. This was an envelope. I tucked in the top flap of the envelope, and I used this. There is a tuck spot back here for larger ephemera, and then you can put this inside the pocket there. I have an envelope here that I've just tucked a piece of one of the tags that I cut the top off of, and don't worry, they will be recycled. I made some tags out of an insert. Where was that? I think it was back here. This one. And this corner that I cut off, I used on the envelope with just a piece of lace, and this was cut off of this piece here. And if you want to see the, there is a video. I have 2 other videos besides this one in this series, so that you can see how I put all of these things together. Here's the flap of that envelope. This is a journal card that I folded into a booklet. Another butterfly postcard, and some journal cards, a tag, a little bit of tissue. This is tracing paper, that's what it is. Lots and lots of writing space. This is an old garden book that I have, and another Tsunami Rose, another one of those pockets. So you can put things inside the pocket, but you can also put larger things behind the pocket. Here's another one of those envelopes with a booklet. There's my center. I did 2 pockets, 2 tags, and 2 booklets there. All blank on the inside. I did add a little bit of ink. There again, this is the center, 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Here's another booklet in this envelope. You can write on the back of this one. Here's another envelope pocket with a tag, and the garden book. This tan, I printed the background pages on this tan paper. So, like I said, plenty of writing space. Another journal card and tag in that postcard pocket. Here is the bottom flap of the envelope that I deconstructed. Turned it into a tuck. That's always fun. I like deconstructing envelopes. This I did leave open for you to tuck a couple of tickets or something in there. Here's another little journal card. Another envelope tuck spot so that you can tuck things in the back or stick them in the pocket. Back of the music paper. Here's another flip over tag that I did with the envelope and side flaps that's cut in half. Another journal card and tag in this pocket. That ledger page, and then here's a... Now, these were the journal cards that were supposed to go in that large envelope that I deconstructed, so I kind of deconstructed these as well. So in here I've got a journal card and a booklet, and these are so pretty. This collection has so much in it. I pulled out a lot of the Rose Ephemera, but lots of good stuff inside. So there we go, and on the back side I've left it blank. There again, I've just used the eyelets for the and seam binding for the closure, and it does squish down pretty good, so there's plenty of room to add all of the things that you love, pictures, and your ephemera. So there we go. I hope that I stayed in frame. Sometimes I get a little bit off. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now.